Hey guys, how are you doing today? It's your girl, Miss Debs, coming to you from my kitchen here in Orange, New Jersey, giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because you know he's worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day. Wouldn't you agree? Guys, today I'm doing a London dish. I'm making bangers, which are these things right here, sausages, onions, using pork gravy because I have pork sausages. I have my potatoes here, which is my mash, boiling, and a little salted water. They're almost ready. For the sweet side of this, because they do like to have, they have some bangers made. I'm sorry. They have some bangers made with apples in it, Bramley apples. So I don't have Bramley apples. I have Gala. But I'm going to cut them up and make a sweet apple on the side to go with my bangers, Big Ben bangers, and my mash. And I'm going to put some pork gravy and some caramelized onions on top of the mash. You're going to see how this goes. All right, guys, be right back. Okay, guys, so now I'm draining my water from my potatoes. Sorry about the steam. Had to walk away from it in a hurry. Got the onions going. Got the potatoes over here. I'm going to mash them up, put some butter, cream, and salt with them, okay? Hold on. Okay, guys, so I'm putting some salt and pepper on the onions. Going to stir them up a little bit. And they're almost to the consistency that I want. Sorry, the pan is spinning around. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, so we're going to let them sweat a little longer. Turn that down. Then I'm going to add my gravy. Over here, guys, I'm mashing my potatoes. Sorry for the noise. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to, let me get out the shadow. I'm going to add some cream, butter, and salt and pepper, okay? Okay, guys, so I just put some salt, little pepper. Now I'm adding my butter, 2 packs of butter. Then I'm going to add some half and half. Well, I want to make the butter melt first. So just bear with me 1 second, and then I'll put the half and half in, okay? All right. Okay, so I have the onions inside of here. They sweated. I put a little chicken flavor seasoning to go with it, right? Now I'm going to add my gravy. Then over here I have my potatoes. I put in some chicken flavor seasoning, dash salt free, because I added salt and pepper to it already. Now I'm going to add my half and half, and we're going to get this mixed together. Okay, guys, so we got the gravy going. I'm going to put a little garlic sauce, a little garlic pepper in there. Then over here, garlic powder. Now over here, I have the potatoes going. We have I put 3 pats of butter in it. Now we're adding the half and half, and I'm going to mix that up, and I'm going to show you these fluffy, gorgeous mashed potatoes when I finish. Bangers are in the oven cooking. Now over here, I have the gravy going. Look at these gorgeous, fluffy mashed potatoes, guys. Look at that. Look at all that butter. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to do my apples. This meal is almost ready. Okay, the gravy is beginning to go. Smelling so good, guys. Okay, guys, so I just have the apples, rinsing them off. Only thing I'm doing is taking off the top and the bottom because I want the skin. taking off the top, taking off the bottom. Then I'm going to put my apple right here on the plate. Put this in the center of it. Come down on it. And there we have our apple pieces, okay? So I'm just going to continue to do this. And this piece right here, you know, you just discard it. Do another one just to show you guys again. See how quick and simple that is? So now, I just have 2 more of those to do, and we're going to be done, and I'll be sauteing the apples. Okay, guys, so I'm adding my apples. I'm going to put some cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar in there, brown sugar, and a little vanilla, and butter, and I'll be right back. Gravy's still going. I turned it down low. Apples. Just added some sugar. Getting ready to add some honey and the vanilla. That's the bangers. They're ready. So my Brit friends, my Londoners, my British friends, this is one of the meals that I made out of the haul that I did, the big, massive, colossal London haul. I made potatoes. The potatoes didn't come from there, but I made mash. Then I used the can of gravy. I did cheat from the jar, Heinz gravy, pork gravy. Then I have my bangers here. I made the beef ones for my son and the pork. But he don't mind it being cooked together long as he's not eating it. So I tried to put a little piece of foil between it, but it is what it is. And here are the apples. So I'm going to dish up a plate and I'm going to show you guys. This is my bangers and mash. And I just put some apples on the side. I put a little splash of balsamic vinegar in it to cut some of the sweetness so it's not too sweet, overly sweet. But I'm going to show you the final preparation of the dish that I prepared.